So the way I've been treating my game recently has been it's a game where it's I'm trying to make it like a WarioWare like, but each of the mini games kind of revolve around a central theme. Um I'm super duper early on in development. I actually need to figure out what I'm doing here. Um But what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to string together like some actual gameplay. So a couple of these mini games I'm trying to create together, and then right now I just have one that doesn't really have any juice to it. So I'm gonna try to make like a pretty coherent gameplay loop first, um, and then I'm gonna try to add a little bit of juice to it because right now it doesn't really have much juice. So that's kind of what I was trying to do. Um, yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, what do I have right now? It's honestly been a little bit of a while since I have messed with this, so let me just see how this is going. Oh, yeah, so I think right now all that I have is it like shows you the colors to pick in a row, and then you click on it, and then it tells you what else to pick, right? So it's kind of like a long Simon Says game, but it's not great. I also just have it going to this black color. Oh. After each one, I need to figure out a better way to do that, but I think I'm gonna have that in like the juice kind of handling. So I think today I want to try to, man, I'm terrible at this. Today I'm gonna try to look at I'm going to try to look at creating a new mini game that I had in mind. Because I kind of have this. Oh man, what's happening here? Not callable. Mini game section one expected one argument. Callable 0. Error calling from signal mini game section one to callable. What? What is this? I'm trying. It should be emitting it with this with one. Mini game section one game. Okay. So I'm trying to have it give the game. So I think I should just be able to have it give self, and then that should work. Let me try this real quick. I don't really want to. I never really like to have errors in my games, like even if they're not really affecting anything. And, oh, okay. Invalid operands. Oh, that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it from the enum. Okay. Mini game reference. So I have the way I kind of have everything set up, and I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but um, I have a auto load that basically just houses an enum um, that I can use to reference the different mini games. Where is that enum actually? Mini game reference. Oh yeah, this is it. So every time I add a mini game, I'm just gonna add an enum here so I can access it, and then that way in the future I can have my game manager load a mini game. So I think that should work now. Um, it should work now. No errors. Yeah. Perimeter viewport. Yeah, we can get rid of these. It's fine. Yeah, I don't need this viewport thing right now, and I don't need the shape X. So I'm still trying to be in like this rapid prototyping phase. Um, so I'm really trying to get something like a coherent game loop together by the end of the month. I don't know how realistic that is. I'm not very good at this yet. But we'll see. Wait, do I have everything hooked up from the main menu yet or no? Because I think I just used it from I don't think this does anything yet. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Let's start making this other game. So the long Simon Says prototype kind of works. I'll need to figure out a way to like cut it and then say that they won before moving to the next game. I also need to figure out a way to like keep the difficulty of it. I probably need to have a um some sort of variable, maybe like some array with like a dictionary that I can increase for each game, like how many times has been beaten at some point, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm actually going to start on a new mini game. I have this, I think the other one I'm going to do, let me look. I had some ideas written down on my phone. Let me grab this real quick and see what one I want to go to next. So I did the long Simon Says. So yeah, so I had the idea for I should probably like retype these out here so it's actually in my project instead of just randomly on my phone. So we have the long Simon Says, which is basically I gotta get in position here. I've actually typed a bit. So we have long Simon Says, which is basically like long strings of colors. They have to click in the other screen. It's like memory kind of. Um, that could actually also be a good idea, memory. Let's write this down real quick. And then the other one I was thinking of is like a quicker Simon Says, where it's basically like gives you color, have to press correct color quickly. So it's like a time-based kind of thing. There's also this game idea that I had before, which I call Quick Match, which is a little bit similar to that one, but basically it like it oh, I should probably say what I sure Simon Says maybe, and then just have this here, and then the Quick Match is basically like give starting color and end color and pick color to in between to get there basically. So like you have your beginning color, then you have like options of other colors to get there, and then yeah. So that's those are some, and then I'm not gonna spend too much time, but I do want to just get everything into my Godot project instead of on my phone. So yeah, so I was thinking like a physics based launch pad to the correct color. I was thinking a quick match. I've already got that. Oh yeah, like a carnival hammer to right color thing. Um, color wave. So everything on screen gets a hit with a color, and you have to pick the option that was the correct color before. I don't really know how well a lot of these things are going to pan out. This game might not even be like the game, but I think it's nice to prototype some stuff.